Hi everybody, Dr. Thomas Lamar of Anchor Chiropractic, and it's fall, which means there's a lot of leaves and a lot of raking. In this quick video, I want to share with you 3 things that you can do to protect your back this season while helping to keep your yard looking great at the same time. Tip number 1, make sure you warm up. Tackling a raking project cold without doing some basic stretching can lead to early failure. This also includes how you dress. Tip number 2, keep the rake close to your body. And while we want to reach out with our arms and not with our back, remember that reaching too far can actually put excessive strain on your spine as physics really begins to take over and the rake becomes more like a lever. This is why you also want to keep twisting to a minimum. The low back does not like to twist. And the ribs and the mid-back can easily get leveraged out of alignment if we're twisting too far with a rake. Tip number 3. It's important to remember, with repetitive activities like this, we want to do what we can to stay balanced. So switch it up as you go along and actually reverse the grip and move the rake to the opposite side of your body to even out the stresses to your joints and your muscles, allowing both sides of your body to work equally. While it's true that your dominant hand may make raking on one side of your body feel easier and might actually be more efficient in the short term, it's not a good long-term strategy for having a healthy spine and nervous system. So there you have it, 3 relieving tips to help you protect your back this fall when it comes to raking. Oh, and here's a bonus tip. If you can, just pay the boy.